You are probably pronouncing these words wrong. Let's check.
It's meme. I repeat, meme. Next is coupon. Coupon. It's pizza. I repeat, pizza.
It's bowl. I repeat, bowl. It's etc. I repeat, etc. It's not etc. It's etc. Next is salmon. I repeat, salmon. Not salmon. L is silent here. It's salmon. Next is data. I repeat, data, not data. Follow and subscribe me for more tricks. All the best. Bye.